In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install the Azure DevOps for Jira app from the Jira Marketplace. We'll start right inside Jira on the For You page. Go ahead and open your Jira instance in your browser and make sure you're logged in with an account that has permission to install apps, usually a site admin or Jira admin. Once you're on the For You section, look towards the main navigation or the app section where Jira gives you access to add-ons and integrations. That's where we'll begin the process. Next, you're going to click on the highlighted menu or link that opens the Apps or Marketplace area. The exact label can vary slightly depending on your Jira layout, but it's often something like Apps in the top navigation bar. Click that, and Jira will take you to the Marketplace Discovery page, where you can browse or search for new tools. From here, you may see another highlighted option or submenu that directs you specifically to the Marketplace or to discover new apps. Click on that highlighted element. This step is just moving you from the general Jira interface into the dedicated Marketplace area, where you can search for the integration you want. Once you're on the Marketplace Discover page, look for the search bar near the top of the screen. Click into the search field and start typing Azure DevOps for Jira. As you type, Jira will show matching apps. Make sure you spell it correctly so you get the official integration and not something unrelated. After typing the name, wait for the results to load. You should see the Azure DevOps for Jira app appear in the list. In the search results, locate the Azure DevOps for Jira entry. It will usually have the app name, a brief description, the vendor, and a rating. Click on that app listing to open its detailed page. This page is important because it gives you more information, including features, screenshots, reviews, and compatibility details. It's a good idea to quickly scan this page to confirm it's the correct app for your Jira platform. On the app's detail page, look for the installation button, which will be labeled Get It Now. When you're ready to proceed, click on Get It Now. Jira may prompt you to confirm the installation or select the site where you want to install the app if you manage multiple sites. Follow any on-screen prompts, and Jira will begin installing Azure DevOps for Jira into your instance. Once the installation completes, you'll be able to configure the integration and start connecting your Azure DevOps projects with your Jira issues.